All right. Please give me the permissions of recording it. Yes, Yasir?
Recording in process.
Yes, recording in progress. All right. So without any further ado, let's get started then.
बिल्कुल.
Absolutely. Let's start take one. Hello and welcome to the Pop Diaries podcast, powered to you by Pop Diaries Entertainment. Well, this is a podcast show wherein we interact with the celebrities, get to know their creative approach, their creative insights, and definitely talk more about their creative vision. Well, it's going to be a great time. We're going to have great answers since we have great personalities on the show. So, the ethereal voice, the beauty, the bold Shilpa Rao, and the divine soul, the handsome, most beautiful, and the prettiest person, Yasir Desai on the show. Welcome, guys.
Great यार, क्या चल रहा है?
Must tell
Yeah,
you tell me how is it going? यासिर के साथ तो मेरी बातचीत हो गई. यासिर is full set with that vibe of that fairy light and all. Yasir is super going. But you tell me, Shilpa, how is it going on your end?
कुछ नहीं, अभी तो फिलहाल घर पे हैं और अभी आपसे बात करेंगे और अभी इंटरव्यू करेंगे और उसके बाद हम फोन पे जाएंगे, देखेंगे क्या क्या कमेंट्स आए हुए हैं हमारे गानों पे.
Right.
And I think that is the only probably the window of interaction that you have with your fans, because we're not getting out, we're not doing concerts as we used to before with thousands of people in front of us, and that human interaction is something that we all miss more than anything else. So right now with social media एक वही सहारा है कि जब हम अपने fans के साथ interact कर सकते हैं, वो जो कहना चाहते हैं they can express as and how they want to, and we are here to get all their comments and even advice, like ये उतना मजा नहीं आया. All of this is also very very important for us, to have that feedback from people. So yeah, that's what. No, it's actually good. I love the critics. I'm a big fan of the critics.
Love that. That's absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
Anything more that you want to add on to this?
हाँ, वो क्रिटिक वाला पार्ट छोड़ के बहुत हर्ट होता है कभी-कभी. एंड क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस होनी चाहिए, बट कुछ लोग ना वो खामखा का ही मतलब करते हैं कभी-कभी. उसको छोड़ के बाकी एवरीथिंग इज वेलकम. एंड ऑफ कोर्स लाइक सेड के यार, वो जो लाइव शो में डायरेक्ट रिस्पांस मिलता है ना, दैट यू सिंग अ सॉन्ग एंड दे रिस्पोंड टू इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, वो हो
रियल टाइम
window है of interacting with your fans. बिल्कुल सही.
Exactly. And as I mentioned in the introduction, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि it's the ethereal voice of Shilpa and definitely the divine voice of Yasir. So people look up to you, and is there sort of pressure while performing? Because already wherever I've seen Shilpa or I've seen Yasir, there have been big adjectives that have been put as a prefix before your names. Do you sort of feel that pressure while performing to live up to that?
There should not be a pressure when you're going on stage or on the mic. I think all the pressure and prep and everything should be done before. When you're going on stage, you should have fun. I mean, that's one place where your thinking will not take you anywhere. All you have to do is feel, and there's a commitment to the moment that is very important. You need to be present here. You need to be there. You need to like even when you're interacting with your fans, as much as it's for them, it's the same for us too. Looking into their eyes, and there are these moments where you can see their faces light up with a song, and there are many times you forget your own lyrics. Unko sare lyrics pata hote hain. They sing the whole thing with you, and probably if you reverse the mic, they will do the full concert only for you. It's that's the beauty of that moment. So the 2 hours that you're on stage, it's one of those very very privileged moments that we all have, and there's no pressure, man. It's so much fun. We just can't wait to get back on stage and sing for all you guys. That's
adrenaline rush, but pressure.
Yeah, I know.
Of course, मतलब मैं तो रुका हूँ कि कब खुले लॉकडाउन. I hope जल्दी.
I mean, यार से ना like bed से उठना नहीं होता है, नींद आ रही है नहीं यार, and the moment you're on stage,
exactly,
there's a sudden energy that comes about you, which you cannot compare with. So yeah.
Absolutely, and absolutely. And so you guys have been recording together for the mixtape. So tell me, how was it, Shilpa, for you to sort of record with Yasir? What was the fun on the set? What was the vibe on the set? I mean, anyone can take this question. And Yasir, do you want to go ahead? Because Shilpa has been taking it first. So Yasir is like, let's just go ahead. Yasir.
It was fun. बहुत मतलब honestly speaking, I was very glad कि मुझे शिल्पा के साथ, because she's one of the finest artists we have currently. Vocals, especially on lower octaves, I love it. मतलब क्या बताऊं कितना. एक लॉ जिंदगी की, मैंने शिल्पा को सेट पे भी बताया था. We were playing that song as well. It's one of my favorite songs of Amit Bhai and Shilpa. अलग ही उसमें वाइब है गाने में. एंड वो जो मूवी में भी जब एंड क्रेडिट्स में आता है, बिकॉज आई वॉच द मूवी फर्स्ट, और मैंने मूवी के साथ ही वो गाना सुना, तो वो उसकी एडिड फीलिंग थी. मैंने मूवी पूरी देखा एंड देन एंड क्रेडिट्स में जब वो गाना बजा, आई वाज लाइक यार वो ये क्या गाना है. और आई थिंक अमित भाई वाज आल्सो फेयरली न्यू एट दैट टाइम, और शिल्पा भी बहुत नई थी, तो वो जो रॉनेस थी गाने में, इमोशन, फीलिंग, इट्स स्टिल वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट ट्रैक्स ऑफ शिल्पा. एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी कि मैं शिल्पा के साथ परफॉर्म कर पाया. And on set too, she's super chilled out, she's very cool, and she knows what she's doing, which is of course
absolutely
great.
I think, as she said, like, the commitment that she has with that particular time, absolutely focused. Shilpa, tell us, how was it working with Yasir?
It's so cool. Like I think the moment like we got out of the vanity and I had to pick him up, which I love, because girls should do this. When you're screaming for equality, then you should pick up the bill and you should pick up a guy and drop him also. So yeah, I loved picking up Yasir from his vanity, and then we walked towards the stage where we were supposed to shoot. And like I said, I felt कि इस यासर को मैं जानती हूँ पहले से. ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि हम पहली बार मिले. That was such a like a comfortable zone that we both had. And one good thing is, before we got on to sing and everything, that the song was being played. So yeah, we got into the vibe of the song, and yeah, between takes we were doing these random things. There was a piano next to us, so हम लोग गाने गा रहे थे. And Eklo, obviously, that's when Yasir told me about Eklo, and I loved how. See, I'm not a fan of dramatic stuff. I'm not a fan of that. Right. And the very dapper, cool demeanor that Yasir brings through his voice on this song is fantastic. I think मतलब वो जो ना बांध के गाना होता है ना, ये हम जब गाना सीखते हैं ना, गुरुजी कहते हैं बेटा बांध के गाओ इसको, just like it has to be grounded from the bottom, and you need to kind of like उसको बोलते हैं ना सुर पे घुस के गाना, and बांध के गाना. That is what I think Yasir got to the song, and I'm so happy that it was Yasir, and we had such a great time working on this one. Yeah.
Lovely. I mean, happy souls together, and I think it's a great time. I think what we get is the best output out there when we are happy souls on the stage and on the set, I feel. Absolutely. Yeah. So like Shilpa and Yasir, I mean, looking at the OTT platforms out there, because due to lockdown, due to pandemic, our silver screens, our golden screens are nothing but the OTT platforms and the beautiful mobile phones that we have in front of us. And OTT has made the entire world come closer. We are appreciating BTS, we are appreciating Korean band. We are looking forward for Narcos. We are looking forward for something in like European region dramas and stuff. So the world has come closer. So when you talk about the music, so what is that one thing that's going to bridge India across the nation? What's that one particular thing that's sort of going to bridge it out so as to make the indie music more popular and more stronger and conventional out there?
Actually, we are one country that has multiple languages, which is actually our strength. And if you look at the beginning of music, when I'm talking about opera music, where Western classical music जब record करना शुरू हुआ था, late 1800s में, all that music was not in English. It was in Italian. It was in German. It was, and the point is, all these countries, they owned up with their language. They're proud of it. Or अगर मैं कहूँ कि कोई एक आर्टिस्ट है जो एक ग्लोबल लेवल पे हमको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, you only think of names like Zakir Bhai. You get names of Ravi Shankar ji or U Srinivas or Nusrat Saab or Mehdi Saab. These are the artists who I mean people know India and Indian music because of them. Right. So right now when I see that we need to make something global, it has to be in Hindi, it has to be in Tamil, it has to be in Bengali, it has to be in Marathi, it has to be in it has to be ours. बहुत बार ये होता है ना कि हमारे जो यूथ है ना, उनको लगता है यार ये इंडियन म्यूजिक बहुत अनकूल है. I don't understand that. Just because you're born in this country and ये आपको शायद मुफ्त में मिल चुका है, because this music has been there for centuries. It's such a deep rooted philosophy. Our Indian music, our Carnatic music, our folk music is so beautiful. I mean, which country has the best of both the worlds? You have film music, which is so great, and you have your classical music, which is so great. And people always look towards the West for inspiration. Jabki there is so much within us. So I think with the youth right now, if you want to make it to the global, first of all, be proud of your own music. Own it with that pride कि ये मेरा म्यूजिक है. हमारी जो ज़बान है, हिंदी में बात करते हैं, उर्दू में बात करते हैं, हम बंगाली, हमारी जो जितने सारे लैंग्वेजेस है, own this with pride and speak it with pride and yeah, and once you do that, then you will also exuberate that pride when you're on the global stage. So I think for me, if you want to see someone at the Grammy stage performing there, it has to be like someone like a Shubha Mudgalji who owns what she sings and how. So I think we need something like that, and to be able to sing in your own language. I think that will take you to the next level.
I completely resonate with you, because even looking at the people at the West or at the East, they have been owning their art, they have been owning their language, and so proudly they have been putting it across that we feel that yes, we love that. The fact that they believe in themselves makes us so convincing to believe them. Absolutely. Yasir, what's your take on this?
I think I completely agree with Shilpa. जो diversity हमारे पास है languages and हर स्टेट के अंदर का म्यूजिक अलग, उनका गाने का तरीका अलग, अगर एक राग है तो उनकी ठुमरी अलग, इनकी अलग, सबके पास अलग है. आई थिंक इट brings a lot to the table. और मैं भी यही चाहता हूँ, मतलब I'm very glad that शिल्पा ने ये बात बोली कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि अगर हम लोग वर्ल्ड लेवल पे रिप्रेजेंट भी करें ना, तो हमारे खुद कान पे हो और हमारे टर्म्स पे हो. आपको सुनना पड़ेगा. Look at Zakir Hussain, look at Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. They're performing and people from different countries listening to them in awe. मतलब यार क्या,
and they want to collaborate with them.
Exactly. So that's how represent. मतलब मैं चाहता हूँ कि current generation, because trends और fads बहुत आते हैं और चले जाते हैं. तो कभी ये trend आता है कि कोई एक reels पे गाना, इंग्लिश गाना हिट हो गया तो वो चलता है, बहुत देर तक चलता है. I get all that. But जहां तक ग्रैमी हो गया, बड़े बड़े अवार्ड फंक्शन हो गए और लोगों तक पहुंचने की बात है, मैं ये कंप्लीटली इन अग्रीमेंट हूं कि मैं चाहता हूं कि हमारी जुबान में हमारा म्यूजिक लोग सुने और जैसा हम प्रेजेंट करेंगे वैसा सुने. यही उसकी खूबसूरती है, यही खूबसूरती है. मतलब ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, आई थिंक आज से 8 या 9 साल पहले व्हेन आई फर्स्ट स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग, मुझे इंडियन क्लासिकल की बहुत समझ नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट कन्वेंशनली ट्रेन्ड. बट लेटर इन लाइफ, जैसे मेहदी साहब, जगजीत सिंह, गुलाम अली खान साहब, ये सबको मैंने जब सुनना चालू किया है, मतलब मुझे समझ आई कि क्या नुआंसेस है, क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग गाने में. एंड देन आई वाज इन ऑ कि यार ऐसा भी होता है, ओ ऐसा भी होता है, ऐसा भी होता है, तभी ये लोग इस लेवल के हैं. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि अगर हो तो हमारे टर्म्स पे हो, हमारी जुबान में हो और हमारे अकॉर्डिंग. मेरा बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग.
Yasir, like seriously, like I have not seen this side of Yasir, but this is amazing.
Absolutely out there. And very important thing, like it's such a pleasure, it's a thrilling experience. It's a pleasure to hear this from you, that we know all the Indian artists are proud of our proud of our culture, the proud of our notes and all the musical elements that are found in India. And absolutely moving on next, what is the one thing that really keeps you motivated? Because, you know, in this tough times, everybody has been whining, everybody has been complaining. Yes, people are trying their level best. Artists have got their own space to sort of be in the room, be in the studio, work on different notes and musical elements, produce something. But, you know, at the end of the day, human is a social animal. We sort of require to step outside the studios, there's four walls, and interact, because you know that live interaction is necessary. So tell me, what is the one thing that's really kept you motivated out there?
I think anyone who's home with their family is the luckiest in this planet. If you're home and you with your family, with your loved ones, I think you're seriously very, very lucky. That is the only motivation that probably has kept us going. That I'm safe, my parents are safe, my siblings, my better half, whoever. I mean, whoever you are very close to. I think that is the only motivation that has kept us alive and going. And I think, I don't know for many other people, but in my house there is a little place where we have a lot of plants and वो जो plants की जो तादाद है ना वो बढ़ती जा रही है, क्योंकि अब ऐसा लगता है कि ना वो हमको खुशी होती कि you're seeing something grow in front of your eyes. And because of that there are so many birds that come in, and I swear there are times when I sit with my coffee and I'm staring at these birds, and you can stare at them for hours. It's so amazing to watch them.
Exactly.
And now I know what it is to actually connect with nature around you. And the way we've made friends with human beings, if we could do that with nature, I think a crisis like COVID would never have happened. If we could interact with every living being around us. When we talk about living beings, it's not just people. I'm talking about your plants, your animals, your I mean any ecosystem that's around you.
Exactly.
If you can make friends with them and you can be a part of them instead of being on top of them. I think that is probably one way to. So I think I've not been able to see it that way before COVID, and probably now I do. That's one thing that has changed in my life. Like now when I talk about living beings, I talk about everything. It's not just people. So
somewhere from the nature you have been deriving the motivation to sort of stay fresh.
Yeah. So I think I have a lot of friends who fly. Which are birds. So,
Exactly.
I have a lot of friends.
Lovely, got that part. Yasir, we are crunching on time, but yes, I want to know from you, what is the motivation? What is that one thing that keeps you going?
I think, of course, family के साथ हैं यहाँ पे, अम्मी अब्बा हैं, और that's lovely, right? You wake up every day and then you see their faces.
Right,
खुशी होती है.
We are blessed.
To add to that, जो प्यार लोग देते हैं and जो इज्जत देते हैं, प्यार देते हैं, I think it's a very big motivation for me. कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि लोग, कोई मुझे जानता नहीं है, कोई किसी स्टेट से है, कोई कहीं स्टेट से है, but yet they message you such sweet messages. बहुत अच्छा गाते हो, बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ये काफी motivating लगता है.
Absolutely. And I mean, definitely wrapping it up, but अगर दो loves सुनने को मिले, I think it will be really very beautiful. I think you already have guitar with you, Yasir.
Yes, sir.
देखो ukulele
चलेगा.
You can. Awesome.
कोई भी गाना या दिल है कि मानता नहीं सुनना चाहिए.
चलेगा.
बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान, आइए
बहुत खूब. Fantastic. And I think absolutely it was a great session. I mean, halagi we had a very less time, but we explored so much more. I think it was absolutely a stunning session, and thank you so much, Shilpa and Yasir, for being actively present there and committing to this time.
Anytime. Pleasure, pleasure.
All right, and thank you so much for being here, and I'm wishing you all the very best. This is just the beginning, and we love to see you more of, like, more of Shilpa, more of Yasir out there. Whatever you guys do, you give your heart and soul, and we can see that out. And we as fans, as audience, love and adore you a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Tada. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Yasir, bye again.
And all the beautiful audience of Pop Diaries out there, it was a great time interacting with Yasir and Shilpa Rao. It was a great time. So do check out this entire podcast and stay tuned to Pop Diaries podcast, powered to you by Pop Diaries Entertainment in association. It's not in association with anyone. I'll take two. Hello everyone, this was my time with Shilpa Rao and Yasir Desai. It was a great time interacting with them, getting to know their creative nuances, creative approach, and definitely it was fun talking to them. It was amazing time. Do check out this entire conversation and do like, share, and subscribe to the Pop Diaries podcast. Thank you. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay delighted.